Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal to use your Wells Fargo cashback credit card step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Search for the official PayPal website. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Choose the Personal Account option. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Click on Continue to proceed. Enter your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. Click Agree and Create Account to finish setting up your PayPal account. Once your account is created, log in with your email and password. On the PayPal homepage, locate and click on Wallet at the top. Select Link a credit or debit card. Choose the option to link your card. Enter your Wells Fargo cashback credit card information. Make sure to include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Provide the billing address associated with your Wells Fargo card. Click on Link Card to finalize the process. You may be prompted to confirm your card with a verification code. Check your email for a message from PayPal containing your verification code. Enter the code in the appropriate field on the PayPal website. Click Submit to complete the verification. Your Wells Fargo cashback credit card is now linked to your PayPal account. You can start using PayPal for online purchases with your credit card. Ensure your card is set as the primary payment method for cashback rewards. Enjoy the convenience of shopping with PayPal while earning cashback rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.